us? What are we going to do? Have you prepared anything?
Well, no.
Then I guess it's my duty to entertain them. I am the most talented after all.
Oh, you are impossible.
And how are you going to do that?
But I'm going to sing for them, of course. Don't you want to hear my beautiful voice?
You can't sing!
Of course I can. Just listen. She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming round the mountain. She'll be coming round the mountain. She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes.
And you call that singing?
Well, yes. You think you can do better than that?
That's not hard. Let me just show you what entertaining an audience means. Okay, let's try a little something. And I want to hear everybody sing. Di mana dia, anak kambing saya. Anak kambing saya yang makan daun talas. Di mana dia, buah hati saya. Buah hati